Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be unboxing my Julie box, and this is $49.99 every 3 months, and you get 3 pieces of jewelry. So let's see what I got. It comes like this. And comes in this little box. And then they come in these little bags. And you can pick what, if you want, silver or gold. And I think you can pick the styles, if I'm not mistaken. Well, this is kind of tangled. Let me try to get that untangled. Okay, this took me about 10 minutes to get this undone. It was all tangled up. But there it is. It has 3 layers and like a moon. It's pretty, and I'll try it all on in a minute. They said that they was going to do away with the every month for the $29 to just do it every 3 months, so they could start sending better quality jewelry, which I was happy with the necklace, earrings, and the bracelet that I got last time. I thought they was great. They've held up. I've worn them several times, and I don't think this feels like it would be any better. I don't know. Okay, and here's earrings. These are cute. And we got another pair of earrings. So we got a necklace and 2 pairs of earrings. These are really pretty. I like these. Thought they said, because we had to wait, they had to wait for something to come in. I thought they said to look for a surprise too. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna try this on. Okay, so I got the necklace on, and I really like it. I think it's cute. And I put one of the earrings in this ear and the other one in this ear. I like these a lot better. I'm not too crazy about these for some reason, but I love these. And I really like the necklace. So, y'all let me know your opinion. Do you think these 3 pieces is worth $49.99? Okay, so that's it. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I thank you for watching. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.